Top reasons to add cinnamon to your diet. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cinnamon is known to help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This is particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. It works by slowing the rate at which food leaves the stomach and enhancing insulin function. Regular consumption of cinnamon can prevent insulin spikes after meals, supporting better blood sugar control. For those managing diabetes, adding cinnamon to the diet may help maintain stable glucose levels. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon has potent anti-inflammatory effects due to its rich content of polyphenols and antioxidants. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and diabetes, and cinnamon can help calm. The compounds in cinnamon reduce the markers of inflammation in the body, promoting overall health. This natural anti-inflammatory effect may help alleviate symptoms in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Consuming cinnamon regularly can support better joint health and reduce inflammatory responses. Rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing cell damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. The presence of polyphenols in cinnamon is especially important for fighting oxidative damage. Antioxidants also promote healthier skin and may even slow the aging process by protecting skin cells. Boosts heart health. Cinnamon is known to contribute to heart health by improving cholesterol and blood pressure levels. It can lower total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. Studies have shown that cinnamon's antioxidants help reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. In addition, it can help reduce blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. Supports weight loss. Cinnamon can help support weight loss by boosting metabolism and controlling appetite. It has thermogenic properties, meaning it can help increase the body's fat burning rate. Adding cinnamon to meals can also help control blood sugar levels, reducing cravings for sugary snacks. This can lead to more stable energy levels throughout the day, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating routine.